Huawei's latest wearable really makes us wonder more about the future of Google's Wear OS, given how the new wearable isn't running Google's smartwatch platform, but rather an in-house developed OS Lite operating system. The Huawei Watch GT certainly has an intriguing design from afar with its distinguishable and contemporary watch-like design, but the visual aesthetics are only superficial. In terms of its standouts, they include its classic design, a 2-week battery life, a 1.39-inch AMOLED display, a stainless steel chassis, you have a heart rate sensor, a tri-GPS system, and it also has support for Android and iOS devices. The battery life it's rated for seems promising, which is attributed to the double chipset architecture and AI low energy consumption algorithm that determines what modes the Huawei Watch GT will go into for the most efficient performance. It has a favorable design due to the fact that it looks more watch-like than a high-tech gadget on our hand, while the materials on paper sound fancy and premium, as well as looking quite the charming thing from afar. The Huawei Watch GT in reality just has this low-quality feel. It's instantly noticeable when we first try it on, as the materials just don't rub on us as being premium. While the display looks good and sharp, we're a bit apprehensive about the Huawei Watch GT's experience because it's limited to basic stuff, such as workout and sleep tracking. There are no plans for third-party app support, so its functionality is going to be fairly limited to what it can do out of the box. Worse yet, the stutter with its performance makes us a bit apprehensive, but it's worth noting that the software is still pre-production. Pricing has yet to be revealed, but considering that it's technically not a smartwatch, we'd imagine that anything more than $150 would make it a tough sell considering that older generation smartwatches, which offer more functionality, sell for under the $200 mark at this point. And that is it for a quick hands-on look at the Huawei Watch GT. If you guys want to learn more about it, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.